Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Got the Bear Show. And today we will have a unboxing. Yep, unboxing of the. This is your JMS Ak Guy. Yeah, and this is a bootleg. So for those people who doesn't like bootlegs, you can go if you want. But if you want to know this kit, then let's go and let's start with the unboxing. So let's have first in the box. And yeah, JMS always have this one. It's not plain, but it's very aesthetic kind of box. And yeah, there's no so much kind of details. It's just the illustration of our unit and then the name of the JMS, and I like that, very simple. And then some of the Chinese characters right here. Okay, so at the side, nothing, and here just some of the warning signs, and then that's it. Okay, so I think I must start at the bottom. Maybe I will have the instruction manual at the bottom. Okay, so let's go, let's open. And yeah, I'm right, so let's have first the instruction manual. So we'll go back on the parts later. Okay, so it's the instructional manual, and it's very simple also. And as I can see, there is a turtle right there. Very cute. And yeah, the words or the characters, the Chinese character is also nice. And it's a little bit on gold brown kind of color. Yeah, and then there's the name of the JMS. And same with the Bandai one, it is also a folded type kind of instructional manual. And you have also the colored part, which is very nice because you have the guide for the colors, and especially right here. So if you want to paint something or to be anime accurate on this kit, you have here the guide colors on the instruction manual. Okay, and then that's it. And yeah, at the other part is the instruction manual with the black and white color. Okay, so that's our manual. Very simple, very nice. Even you just need to follow the figure, not the words or any characters here, which is it's Chinese. Yeah, so that's our instruction manual. So let's put that at the side, and then let's count how many packs we have. 1, 2. So we only have 2 packs right here, and now let's open every pack. Let's go. Yeah, we already unpack it, and yeah, let's go. Let's see what are the parts of, or let's see first how many runners do we have. So we have 1, 2, 3. I like this one, it's clear. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and with your polycaps that would be 8. And it has a water slide decals right here, nice one. But I'm not so fan of using water slide decals. But yeah, the ice is on water slide. Wow, what is that, man? Do we have something that it's jewel type? No, we don't have it. So yeah, maybe we will just really use the water slide for the ice, but not the parts, the body, the warning signs. I don't know if I will use that, but yeah, that's it. So now let's go for each runners. Okay, so let me arrange it first by letters or by numbers. Okay, so wait a little bit and we'll be back. So let's have first the first part of the runner, which is your A, and we have 4 A's right here. This is the transparent A, and I know that's for the head. Then we have the A, which has the claws, the missiles on the hands, and yeah, and the backpack, that's also an A. We also have an 8, and I know this is for the head part. Yep. And then another A, which is on the joints. Yeah, the cover of the joints of our Ak Guy. So that is the A of our Ak Guy. Okay, so that is the runners. Runner A. Then this is only A1. I don't know if there's an A2. No, there's none. Yeah, so this is the clear part for A. So now let's go to other runners, and we will have next the runner B. So we have here the runner B, and the runner B is the brown color. Yeah, the brown color is, I think it's a little bit very aggressive kind of brown. I don't have yet the Bandai Ak Guy, but still, it's nice. Yeah, it's a nice brown. It's really kind of a chocolate brown. Yeah, it's really a chocolate brown color for me. So that's your runner B. So next we'll have the runner C. So we have here the runner C, And yeah, this is the outer part of armor. I think this is for the body. The feet, yep, it's a very big feet. And then the sole of the feet. Then the front armor. And then I think this is the armor for the joints also. This armor of the joints on the... I think it's on the shoulder, and then some of it is on the legs, maybe. Am I right? Yeah. So that's your runner C. And now let's have our next runner D. So we have here the runner D, and this is some of the, I think it's from the inner frame. It's an HG, and it's an old HG kind, so it doesn't have a full inner frame, but still it has those inner frame that can be seen outside of the armors. Okay, so yeah, and some of the thrusters, maybe I will have a color for that. I will check if I need some colors for some parts. Yeah, okay, so that's our runner D. And the next one is our non-dying polycaps and our water slide. And I'm very surprised. In the first part, I told you that the ice was also a water slide. Yeah, but I just want it not to be a water slide. But yeah, let's see if what is the instruction. If I can paint the ice, why not? But if I really need to use the water slide, then we will. Then the non-dying polycaps, yep, I hope it will last long, because yeah, we know polycaps tends to lose over time. Okay, so that is the runners of our Akai. Ooh. Okay, so same as usual with our different kits that we have already built here on our channel. Yeah, they will have the same fate, which they will have the unboxing, which we already done right now, and then a live build. Yep. So I think when I posted this unboxing, the live build was already done, and I think maybe 1, 2, or 3 live builds in order to finish a kit, because yeah, I cannot finish it in one setting because I have some work, or yeah, a day job that I need to follow, because yeah, we need that money to have these kits. Okay. Okay, so yeah, same, we'll have an unboxing, which we are doing right now, a live build also, because this is a bootlegs. I really want to have it a live build. I cannot do speed builds on bootlegs. Okay, and then also as a quick look, and the most important part is our full review. So stay tuned and watch my live builds. If you didn't see it yet, just go to the live playlist. Yep, so you can see the live build of this kit. And on the live build, you can ask me directly on questions of my building experience during my live. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so that you will be informed for our next videos and contents. Okay, so more Gunpla, more toys reviews here on our channel. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. Bye. Ooh, let's go. Woo! So, if you reached this part of my video, please comment down there below. Hashtag Jake the Gunpla Reviewer, and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you and peace out.